Hi! So if my last tutorial was in a lazy kind of spirit, this one is gonna take it to the next level. And to add to the mood, I'm wearing my pajamas. And I know I could wear a blouse or at least a t-shirt. That just wouldn't be the same, would it? And I know maybe I'm wearing a teeny tiny bit of makeup, but I didn't want to scare you off. It's for your own well-being. You're welcome. But this video is not about me being in my pajamas, or at least not entirely. It's about making a really easy ring, like the easiest ring ever, like super easy. Let's just hope it's gonna be easy when I make it now and nothing is gonna go wrong. So let's get started. Now we need some wire. Probably not that much. So I'm using copper-based wire. It's a non-tarnish wire, which means it's got enameled coating. It really doesn't tarnish. It's amazing. Alrighty, so I cut 37 centimeters of this copper wire, and I think we'll be using like 35 centimeters or maybe even less. But for the sake of this tutorial, I decided to just use more because more is better than less. Or less is more. I'm using this eyeshadow stick. Right, so now I'm gonna bend it right in half and I'm gonna wrap it around the eyeshadow stick. You are never gonna guess what we're gonna do next. We are going to twist it. And we're gonna twist it until the twisted part is 2.5 centimeters or thereabouts. Now we're gonna bend it and then wrap the twisted part into a circle. Right, so that is gonna be perfect, I think. Wait, I'm gonna twist it a little bit more, so just over 2.5 centimeters. One more twist. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna take this wire underneath this other wire and I'm gonna go underneath the flower. Let's call it a flower because it looks like a flower. See what it looks like? It's not very flat. I'm gonna take these flat nose pliers, just gonna press it a little bit. That should do it. Talking about this bottom wire, we're gonna take it and push it underneath. And now we're not gonna do anything until we push the eyeshadow stick back into the ring, because otherwise the ring is just gonna come apart. And wrap again. And we'll stop right there. Now is the time to take it off again and cut the wire. And I'm just hiding the cut wire underneath the flower. Alright, so that was that. And now for this wire, you might think we're just gonna wrap it around, but what the heck, I'm gonna show you a little trick. We're gonna take our round nose pliers and we're gonna just like bend it a little bit here and there and only really tiny. Okay, I'm just gonna bend it a little bit more. Yeah, that will work. And now we're gonna wrap it underneath. Can you see that? It looks like it's been twisted even underneath, but it's not. Obviously, we know the truth. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow stick again so that I can really pull on the wire. I'm gonna cut it right here. Taking my chain nose pliers again and then just bending it. And you can use nylon job pliers. I've got these and I'm just gonna press it down to make it flat. I wanted to show you what I've got. Look at that! Isn't that a clever idea? So I bought this acrylic lipstick holder. I think it's for lipsticks. And it's perfect for my tools. It's like iridescent. Can you see the shine? And it holds like half of my tools. you watched my eBay haul, you would have seen these. Swarovski flatback crystals, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I've got different colors. Gonna stick it right in the middle. And what else would we use then? E6000. I've got some blue tack on a toothpick. Press it down. And that's it. If anybody expected it to be more difficult, then I'm sorry to disappoint you. And I think I'm gonna push this wire in a little bit with my chain of pliers after the glue dries. But look at this. I think it looks really nice. So simple. Yep, just as I thought. Beautiful. So yeah, this is the ring. And honestly, you could do so much more to it. You could secure it with like thin wire here. And there, I'll show you maybe next time. So the layers of this ring band, they might come apart if you pull on them. So it is good to just secure it. But for a lazy ring like this, I think it's fine. I mean, I also came up with a design for this sort of ring, but using a pointed back crystal and no glue. But this is just supposed to be a really easy ring. That's why it's been done like this. So the other design is coming soon. So stay tuned. I'm also thinking about making this ring in different colors, so... Alright guys, so as usual, if you enjoyed this ring tutorial, then give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this or similar. Alright, I love you all and I will see you next time. Bye!
Up and down, I'm losing ground.